Okay, once again, we're looking for the angle up here, angle theta, and the numbers that are related to it are the 12 and the 7.7. Now the 12 is our longest side, so that must be the hypotenuse. We've got a right triangle, so we can use our standard trig functions. And the 7.7 centimeters is touching the angle, so it's adjacent. So the trig function that groups together adjacent and hypotenuse is cos. So cos of theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Now we want to get the theta by itself, so we have to do the inverse cos of both sides. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to cos inverse 7.7 divided by 12. And on the left, those are gone. And I end up with theta equals the inverse cos of 7.7 divided by 12. And when you do that on your calculator, usually the second function, I get an angle of 50.08 degrees for theta. Now I've got 3 significant figures here in the 12 and only 2 in the 7.7. So I'm going to round my answer off to 2 sig figs. Theta is 50, and I'm going to put a decimal to represent 2 sig figs, degrees.